In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Marketplace Connect app on Shopify and seamlessly integrate your Amazon, Etsy, and eBay accounts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your products synced across these major marketplaces, allowing you to efficiently manage orders and inventory all from your Shopify dashboard. To begin with, head over to your Shopify admin page. From here, navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can find this by clicking on Apps in the left sidebar, then selecting Shopify App Store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar and type in Marketplace Connect. It's essential to choose the app that's specifically designed for Shopify to ensure compatibility and ease of use. Once you've found the right app, click Add App. Follow the prompts to get it installed on your store. Installation usually only takes a few moments, but be sure to review the permissions requested to ensure you are comfortable with what the app can access. With the app installed, the next step involves connecting your Amazon, Etsy, and eBay accounts. Start by opening the Marketplace Connect app from your Shopify dashboard. You'll typically find an option labeled Connect Accounts or something similar. Click on it and you should see options for Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. Select one platform to start with. Let's say you choose Amazon. You'll need your Amazon seller credentials, so have those handy. Follow the app's instructions, which usually involve logging into your Amazon seller account and authorizing the connection. Repeat this process for Etsy and eBay, taking the time to ensure each connection is successfully established. This integration will enable seamless product syncing and inventory management across all platforms. Now, it's time to sync your products. Go back to the Marketplace Connect app interface. Look for an option like Sync Products or Product Syncing. Click on it to begin the process. Most of the time, the app will allow you to select which products you want to sync, giving you control over your inventory. You might see options for syncing all products, or you may want to selectively sync only certain collections or categories. Pay attention to any specifics regarding product descriptions, images, and pricing to ensure consistency across marketplaces. Finally, managing your orders and inventory is crucial for smooth operations. Within the app, there's typically a section for order management or something along those lines. Here you can view, fulfill, and track all orders from Shopify, be it from Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Having this centralized management system helps reduce errors and saves valuable time. Inventory management usually works similarly, with real-time updates across your Shopify store and all connected marketplaces. Make it a habit to regularly check your inventory levels and update them as needed to avoid overselling or running out of stock. I hope you found this guide helpful in getting started with the Marketplace Connect app on Shopify. It really simplifies selling across multiple platforms, all from one convenient location. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out the app's help resources for additional support. Thanks for watching and happy selling.